It is 11:36, and this is going to be the first and last recording for today because I like to keep track of my progress and be completely transparent. I didn't trade or try to buy anything except for this one setup that happened in the very beginning with ONCS. I do regret not being a part of this one, and I don't really want to go over it too much because of the fact that I didn't trade it. And it's oh yeah, blah blah blah. I was gonna buy whatever. I just hate talking about stuff like that. But I did like this one because it was a very similar setup. As you can see, I still have a trend line when it wasn't too full, and I also have a screenshot of this. I do have a photo where I just save all the trades I should have traded, and just look back at it every so often. But this one was nice because it did make a move under VWAP right in the morning, and then when it was trying to regain itself and then break above VWAP, which was 219, I should have been in. I was just very uneasy with the idea that I would be in at maybe 222. Worst case scenario, it breaks this range right here, which is basically $2, and that's like a 10% risk. But I should have been fine with it because I had my proper amount of shares, which I think was 70 for I think a $20 risk level if it were to have broken this level and then even broke under $2. So I had the right amount of shares and everything. I just should have taken the trade. I mean, hey, especially because this one worked out and it did make a nice move. And it was until here that I should have been holding on to the position, or at least still have a portion left, and I would have sold. In theory, once it opened a candle past the uptrending trend line right here, and then it did try to regain itself, but it sold off, and that was pretty much it in terms of setups. Although this one did do a super nice uptrend, and it broke the previous day high here of $4, which I did have ready to consider trading, but it happened later in the day when I was no longer looking at stocks. So yeah, that's pretty much it. No buys or sells, but I did have an interest with ONCS, and I hope I can be able to maybe trade something tomorrow, if not on Friday.